What's up, everybody? A few things to go over. One thing I'm going to do today is focus on this uh, navigation. We got everything working with Bootstrap 3 and the responsiveness of the navigation, but I kind of left you with it looking like shit. So for some people that don't know much about CSS today, you probably get a some good help, I guess, as far as not making this look like shit. Also wanted to shout out on my channel, Mr. Belonzo. I think that's how you pronounce the name. Requesting more information, and then all my other subscribers. Shout out to you as well. I love this name, 3065 Hustler, Ray Huffman, Andre, Antoinette, basically anybody that is supporting this channel. Thanks to everybody. So let's kind of dive right into this here. And I'm not sure how much you might know about CSS, but I'll be showing you a bit here. Let's focus on the anchor tags here. Notice how if I go and I add a role, I'm going to target all the anchor tags with level top. Let's just say I wanted to change the color to red. It's not going to appear over here. And then over here, if I just click out, it looks like it's going to go away, but it didn't actually go away. It's just being overwritten by another CSS rule of the same kind. In fact, that CSS rule is right here. So how do we get by that? I'll show you a better way. A.level top, and then what we're going to do, let's change this color to a nice gray, 5/8, 5/8. And then all you have to do after that is include the important. Okay, so basically what the important thing does, and I'll scroll down to grab that here, is it says if there's another CSS rule that's conflicting, use this one. This one's more important. That's basically it. So I'm going to go ahead and go into my style sheet here. And just as we saw before, a.level top, color, important, and then we'll do padding, 15 px, 10 px, important. Now, if you don't know much about the padding rules, and it applies exactly the same for the margin. Padding goes, let's see if I were to do it the long version. So basically the way that the padding style works is it goes top, right, down, left, and that's the short way of doing it. An even shorter way of doing it, if these values are the same here, what I can do is just type in two values, and then the CSS will know this is top and bottom, and this is right and left. And then followed by the important sign. So let's see how that looks so far. Go ahead and refresh. Not bad. Now let's do a style on the hover. By using the hover selector here. And notice how if something's 6 characters long or 6 numbers long, you can just abbreviate that to 3, and it's just fine. It's still standards compliant. And the reason why I write CSS this way instead of like going down 10 lines is because it'll make the CSS file smaller. And I just got used to writing like this. And a smaller CSS file means a faster site loading. So let's go ahead and save that. And what else do I want to do here? Let's make this maybe a light gray, because the white is not that cool. And we have that from our last video. I'm targeting navbar default. Let's go ahead and set background color to very light gray. Once again, that could have been 6 E's. I just abbreviated it to 3. Nice. So not as bad. Let me see here. Oh, you know what? I probably have to put an important thing here too. It's so funny, I used to, and a lot of people think that that was like an Internet Explorer hack until once you actually Google it and everything. Okay, so now that's changing colors. And let's see if we can give it a background color on hover. Background color. And let's just make it white on hover here. And by the way, if you had forgotten, the styles.css is in scan front end default. Whatever your theme name is, CSS, and styles.css. Refresh the page, and I might have to put an important behind that as well. There's other ways of going about overriding the other styles, but for right now, this is completely harmless to do, really. Let's go ahead and see what this does. See, that's pretty fucking nice, I would say. So that's it for now, and hope this helps you, and hopefully you might have learned some CSS, but our menu doesn't look like shit anymore. Now I can deal with it, and I think next I'm going to work on maybe the My Account page or the login page, either or. But anyway, hope everybody had a fun New Year's Eve, and I'll see you soon.